Hey guys, I'm going to show you why did Messenger turn on Vanish Mode. If Messenger suddenly switched to Vanish Mode, a few things could have caused it. So first, it was turned on accidentally. In many versions of Messenger, Vanish Mode can be activated by swiping up from the bottom of the chat, just like so, then release it. So it's surprisingly easy to trigger unintentionally. Next is the other person enabled it. Vanish mode affects the conversation for both participants. If the other person turned it on, you'll see the chat enter vanish mode as well. Next reason is a messenger update or interface change. So Meta has changed messenger features over time. In some regions and app versions, disappearing message features may appear differently or be integrated with end to end encrypted chats. Next is you were in a disappearing message conversation. Some chats have disappearing messages enabled rather than classic vanish mode. Messages may automatically disappear after a set period. So, to turn this off, click their name at the top, then scroll down and look for disappearing messages and open it, then set it to off. And that's it.